to a customer service representative. Hi, thank you for contacting Stop the Spread. My name is Rabia. How can I help you?
Hi there. Okay, I have a business here in Toronto and I want to check whether my business is in which category. So I'm looking to talk to a lawyer from Stop the Spread. So to go with me the
What sort
law.
of business do you have?
It is a TV installation business, like Rogers Cable
Okay.
and Bell. So we install TV.
Okay.
We wall mount TVs and speakers.
Mm-hmm. And you wanted to know if it is permitted at this time, or?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second. So, what I told you earlier, for telecommunication services, phone, internet, radio, cell phones, etc., which could include TV and stuff, and other facilities necessary for their operation and delivery, those services are permitted.
Thank you very much, Miss. Appreciate that.
Okay, thank you for calling us.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye-bye.